Hi guys, this is gsn.com and I'm here with the Sony Xperia XA2 for an unboxing. This mid-range handset was announced at CES 2018, so basically last month, so it's pretty fresh even right now. I guess it's time for an unboxing. Special things here, we got a handset that's priced at around $349, at least on Best Buy, and it stands out because it can film in 4K, it's got a front wide-angle camera and a not bad looking design. Basically, there's an evolution from the Xperia XA and XA1. They made the bezels even narrower. So let's remove the plastic from the front and also the plastic from the back, if we actually can. Well, I guess we can't just for now. Going to remove it a bit later. Anyways, so as you can see, the edges are a bit curvier now. They changed the format of the power button. It's very small now, tiny and metallic from my feel, and bezels are totally narrow, especially at the top and bottom where they were bigger on the predecessor. And from what I can see, we have the dual SIM version of the phone. So Sony Xperia XA2 is priced at $349.99 on Best Buy. It's an unboxing, so let's see what is inside the box. We have a test unit, so you may be getting some extras like headphones. We do not have headphones. We have a startup guide. We have a charger which promises, let's see, so a 5-volt and 1.5 ampere charging. And then there's the cable of the USB Type-C variety. Here we go, USB Type-C as expected. It's obvious that we get modern features here like Android Oreo, like USB Type-C, which is to be expected and demanded in 2018. By the way, an interesting aspect, they have moved the fingerprint scanner to the back side. We no longer see it integrated into the power button, which is actually too small for that feature. Now the Sony Xperia XA2, as you can see, has very narrow bezels for the screen. It's a 5.2-inch screen with a full HD resolution, and it's got Gorilla Glass protection and a special image quality improvement technology. The phone itself is a bit on the bulky side, 9.7mm in thickness, and it weighs 171 grams. It's available in silver, black or blue, and it comes with the following specs. So first of all, Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor, and it comes with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. I also know that there's a 3GB RAM version of the phone, so keep that in mind. There's also the fingerprint scanner, of course, micro SD card slot. There's the 3300 mAh battery, which sounds excellent for the diagonal size. I have a feeling I'm going to be totally impressed by the battery life of the phone. Also, because the predecessor was quite good in that department, also the Ultra version. We're setting up the phone real fast. Oreo seems to be moving like a champ. Agree. Not now. Skip. And we are done very fast. I have to say that the screen looks amazing than to those curvatures. So the curved glass edges go into a curved metal frame, and from what I know, the back side is now covered with plastic. It's not metal, it's not glass, just plastic. Basically, the phone looks like it's been blown up, like the battery has swollen a bit because of the curvature all the way around. Curved back, curved sides, curved front on the edges. An interesting approach which makes the phone feel, I would say, a bit more premium than its predecessors. Other specs, well, we left the best for last, so we got an USB Type-C port at the bottom, and we also have the cameras. So at the back, we've got the main shooter, 23 megapixels, 4K video, and also Exmor RS technology, and a flash. At the front, there is an 8 megapixel shooter with a pretty generous lens. It's a wide angle lens capable of the 120-degree wide angle action, which we also got from the Xperia XZ1 compact, if I remember correctly. Now, other things we're mentioning here, we got the Clear Audio Plus, smart amplifier, clear bass, surround sound, FM radio, and other goodies, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, there's Wi-Fi A, B, G, and AC. The PlayStation app should be here somewhere, and if it's not, we will install it. Got a Google package, we got AVG protection as an antivirus, and as usual, I'm going to try and find out if the camera app has changed. It hasn't changed for years now. It's a trademark from Sony, and guess what? It's the same. So we got a manual mode with tweaks, not the candy bar, but tweaks, the actual modifications. We got the superior auto mode, we got a video, and let's see the capture it takes. It takes HDR video, it takes full HD, 30 or 60 frames per second, and I'm guessing they put the 4K separately. Yes, indeed, they did in this apps area. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. And my oh my, I just noticed you also have a slow motion mode, 120 frames per second. It's no super slow-mo, but should do the trick. So Sony Xperia XA2, 5.2-inch mid-ranger. It feels like it competes with maybe the Zenfone 4. That's the vibe I get, but I have a feeling that the camera will totally impress and the battery already sounds good thanks to the big capacity. So this is it from gsrom.com, the unboxing and first impressions on the Sony Xperia XA2. Bye bye.